Question and answer. Question: I am a pharmaceutical researcher, and I have several publications with high number of citations. Can I file EB1 Extraordinary Ability or EB1 Outstanding Professor and Researchers, or even EB2 NIW at the same time, to increase my approval chance? You can file both an EB1A, Alien of Extraordinary Ability, and a NIW, National Interest Waiver, applications simultaneously. Many individuals choose to do so if they believe they may qualify for both categories, allowing them to potentially increase their chances of approval by having multiple petitions under consideration at once. EB1 Extraordinary Ability, EB1A, and National Interest Waiver, NIW, are in the special categories of U.S. Green Card application categories. We have successfully helped many applicants in the EB1 Extraordinary Ability, EB1A, EB1 Outstanding Professor and Researchers, EB1B, EB1 Multinational Executive or Manager, EB1C, and National Interest Waiver, EB2 NIW, categories. You can file both an EB1A and an NIW application simultaneously. This is considered a legitimate strategy to maximize your chances of approval, as both petitions use the same Form I-140, and are allowed to be filed concurrently under U.S. immigration law. Though EB1A and NIW can be filed together, each application requires its own set of supporting documents and fees, as the criteria for each category differ slightly. If you believe you qualify for both categories, filing simultaneously can increase your odds of securing a green card by giving you two potential pathways to approval. An alien applicant can actually file in two categories at one time, and may receive approvals in both. This application strategy is sometimes used where the alien applicant potentially qualifies in multiple categories, to enhance the likelihood of successful approval. For example, an applicant can receive Form I-140 application approvals in both the EB1 Extraordinary Ability and EB2 National Interest Waiver categories. It is necessary to demonstrate and argue an applicant's qualifications in those areas that are relevant to the particular U.S. immigration category. These employment-based immigration categories, such as EB1A or EB2 NIW, can potentially provide faster routes to complete the green card application process for those who are eligible. For example, a researcher had a record of conducting groundbreaking research in the field of biomedical sciences, specifically in the area of DNA research. He filed in both the EB1 Extraordinary Ability and EB2 National Interest Waiver categories at the same time, and got both approvals. The evidence was presented that he had resulted in advancements of significant benefit to research on cancer, viral infections, such as AIDS/HIV, diabetes, bacterial diseases, such as leprosy, tuberculosis, and pneumonia, and antibiotic resistance. The supporting letters testified to the fact that his DNA research was considered vital for the development of targets for drugs and vaccines, as well as novel strategies to rectify glitches in DNA and cure diseases. In addition to improving the health of U.S. citizens, it is argued that his research work also benefits the U.S. environment, economy, and national security, as evidenced by its funding and support through the National Institutes of Health, NIH, and the U.S. Department of State, DOS. The following are important considerations about filing EB1A and NIW concurrently. 1. No legal restriction. there is no rule prohibiting filing multiple employment-based immigration petitions at the same time. 2. Separate applications. Each petition requires its own set of supporting documents and application fees. 3. Strategic advantage. If you meet criteria for both categories, filing both petitions can increase your chances of securing a green card, as one petition may be approved faster than the other. 4. Overlap in evidence. Some evidence used to support an EB1A application might also be relevant to an NIW petition, depending on your field and achievements. Thank you for watching the video. We offer high-quality complete do-it-yourself packages for U.S. Green Card application and working visa application, and we provide many samples of reference letters, and samples of petition cover letters for U.S. immigration and green card application, and we also let you know the U.S. green card application process and how to get your green card quickly. If you want to apply for a U.S. green card, our website greencardapply.com and complete do-it-yourself packages can help you get green card quickly, even without an U.S. employer sponsorship, and bypass the labor certification process. I hope the audience will give us a thumbs up, and subscribe our YouTube channel, to let the knowledge of U.S. green card application spread to more immigrants, and let YouTube's algorithm recommends our videos to more viewers. For further and detailed information of U.S. green card application, please visit our website greencardapply.com. Thank you.